Oh, so sorry. Oh, Lexi?
Hawkeyes?
What are you doing here?
I'm here for Dance Marathon. What are you here for?
I was just gonna study. What's Dance Marathon?
Where they dance for 24 hours straight in the ballroom?
Oh, that thing that's raising money for the UI Stead Family Children's
Yes,
Hospital.
yes, that.
It's the biggest student organization, right?
Of course. Do you want to go dance?
I'll meet you to the dance floor.
Let's go, guys.
All right. Hello. Who am I here with today?
You're here with Joey Jacobson.
And what are you doing today at Dance Marathon?
So I'm a dancer, raising funds for Dance Marathon. So far, I've donated $1,000, so hopefully can boost that up a little bit more.
And is this your first year or are you a returning student?
No, this is my first year doing this.
And why?
So I was actually a former cancer patient here, so this is kind of like a full circle moment to me. So anything I can give back to the kids and everybody who helped me get to this moment.
I'm here with President Barb Wilson herself. Barb, what does Dance Marathon mean to you?
Oh, it means so much to me. I'm so excited about this student organization, our 32nd year of Dance Marathon. And collectively, over all those years, this organization has raised $37 million for the kids and their families. So proud of what we do. I'm proud of the leadership that our students exhibit in this organization, and I couldn't be happier to be here.
What's some advice that you would have for somebody new trying to join Dance Marathon?
I would say, like, if you just care about people, want to help people, it seriously is the most amazing thing ever. And it's so great and it's so fun because now we can just see all our hard work pay off. And it's really important that we just like soak it all in today.
Wasn't it inspiring to see what students at University of Iowa can do?
It was so inspiring. How do I learn more about Dance Marathon?
In order to learn more about Dance Marathon, you can follow them on Instagram at UIDM, and maybe you can figure out how to support or join the org.
Dance Marathon is one of the many reasons why every day is a great day to be a Hawkeye.
See you later, Hawks.